Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 13 money. In previous class we also discussed about conversion of money, that is convert rupees into paise, paise into rupees, then addition, subtraction and multiplication we also discuss about this chapter. Today we revision this chapter. First, convert rupees into paise, rupees into paise. We convert rupees into paise, we multiply by 100. Convert rupees into paise, we multiply by 100. Second, convert paise into rupees, convert paise into rupees, we divide by 100. Then you know how to add and subtraction of this money, subtraction, multiplication and division of money. Then for example, add the following. Rupees 175.35 and rupees 300.40. Then first we add this number, rupees 175.35, then rupees 300.40. Then add this number. Then 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 4, 7, then point, then 5 plus 0, 5, then 7 plus 0, 7, then 1 plus 3, 4. Then rupees sign also you put. Our answer is 475.75. Then how to subtract this number? Subtraction of this. Subtract rupees 74.45 from 100, rupees 100. Then here which word come? From come. Therefore, which number you write first? Second number write in first. Second number write in first. That is rupees. Rupees 100. There is no paise here. You put 0, 0. Understand you? Then rupees 74.45. Then subtract this number. 5 take away from 0. This is possible? No. We take borrow. This is here there is this cut 0, this cut 9, this cut 9, this cut 9, this cut 10. Understand you? There is no here also 0, here also 0, here also 0. We take here. Then this cut 0, 9, 9, 9, then 10. Now we subtract this number. Then 5, then 4 take away from 9, 5, then 0.4 take away from 9, 5, 7 take away from 9, 2. Then rupees sign also you put rupees 25.55. That is rupees 25 and 55 paise. Now we study unitary method. Unitary method. Unitary method in this question are multiplication and division. In this topic, division, first you divide, then you multiplication. First you divide and then we multiplication. The question is, first, the cost of 1 pen rupees 17.50. Find the cost of 8 pence. The cost of 1 pen rupees 17.50. Find the cost of 8 pence. Understand you? Here one given, many finding. This is multiplication. Then solution, first we write the cost of 1 pen rupees 17.50. Second line, the cost of 8 pence. Then rupees 17.50 multiply 8. Then multiply this. Then our answer is rupees 140.00. Then another question. Second question, the cost of 6 apples rupees 42. Find the cost of 1 apple. Here look, the cost of 6 apples rupees 42. Find the cost of 1 apple. Many given, many. This is 6 is many. Many given, you find 1 apple. This question is divide. Then solution, the cost of 6 apples rupees 42. Then second line, the cost of 1 apple is rupees 42 divided by 6 is rupees 7. Understand you? This is then the cost of 6 apples rupees 42. Find the cost of 1 apple. Many given, 1 find. This is division. Then next, the cost of 4 books rupees 800. Find the cost of 7 books. Here, look here. The cost of 4 books. The cost of 4 books is rupees 800. Find the cost of 7 books. Then we find the cost of 7 books. This is the unitary method. First we multiplication, then division. Now third question is question number 3. There are 2 operations here. The cost of 4 books rupees 800. Find the cost of 7 books. 2 operations here. First division, second multiplication. First you find the cost of 1 book, then you find the cost of 7 books. Understand you? In this question, again you read the question. The cost of 4 books rupees 800. Find the cost of 7 books. Understand? Then solution, how to solve this question. First we write the cost of 4 books rupees 800. First line you understand? In this is the cost of 4 books is equal to 800. Second line, the cost of 1 book is equal to rupees 800 divided by 4. Second line you understand? The cost of 4 books is equal to 800. The cost of 1 book is equal to rupees 800 divided by 4. Then answer is rupees 200. Now we find the cost of 7 books. Then third line, the cost of 7 books is equal to rupees 200 multiply 7. Which amount we take? This. We find the cost of 1 book. That amount we take. Then the cost of 7 books is equal to rupees 200 multiply 7. That is, we write rupees 1400. Understand you? This is the unitary method. First divide, then multiply. First divide, then multiply. This is the unitary method. Again you read the question. The cost of 4 books is rupees 800. Find the cost of 7 books. First the statement you write. The cost of 4 books is equal to rupees 800. Then the cost of 1 book is rupees 800 divided by 4 rupees 200. Then next statement, the cost of 7 books is equal to this amount you take. We find 1 book, that amount you take rupees 200 multiply 7 is equal to 1400. Okay, this is the unitary method. One more question, yes you. the cost of three pencils rupees 27. Find the cost of 9 pencils. Again you read, the cost of 3 pencils rupees 27. Find the cost of 9 pencils. First we write the statement. The cost of 3 pencils rupees 27. Second line, the cost of 1 pencil is equal to rupees 27 divided by 3, then is equal to rupees 9. Then third line, the cost of 9 pencils is equal to rupees 9 multiply here this 9 also, 9 is equal to rupees 81. This is the unitary method. You understand now? Yes. Thank you.